friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are happy, healthy and learning this effectively. So far I have been good, and how are you all? Let me know in the comment. So today I would like to share my real journey. मैं कैसे अपनी प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ और जीरो से फ्लुएंट बनने की मेरी जर्नी कैसे शुरू हुई और कैसे मैं करती हूँ, ये आपको लाइव प्रूफ के साथ दिखाऊंगी आज। तो जैसे कि आपको पता होगी कि एज ए हाउस वाइफ के पास कोई फिक्स टाइम नहीं होती है। वो 24/7 में से अपनी किसी भी टाइम को निकाल कर, और एक ऐप मैं बताऊंगी, उस ऐप पर आप बिल्कुल किसी भी टाइम में प्रैक्टिस कर कर आप अपनी इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, कॉन्फिडेंट बन सकते हैं। तो क्योंकि मैं खुद करती हूँ वो चीज़, और सबसे बेस्ट फीचर ये है इस एप्लीकेशन का कि बिल्कुल प्राइवेसी होती है। ठीक है, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट फीचर ऑफ दिस एप्लीकेशन इज टोटली प्राइवेसी। ओके, और ये फीचर भी बहुत अच्छी होती है। तो मैं आपको रियल दिखा रही हूँ कि मैं कैसे रियल पर्सन के साथ प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ, और बिल्कुल विदाउट डिटेल शोइंग किए हुए मैं इस पर प्रैक्टिस करके एक पार्टिकुलर टाइम निकाल कर प्रैक्टिस करके अपनी इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन को इम्प्रूव कर रही हूँ। तो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, ये एक एप्लीकेशन है, जोशी स्किल एप्लीकेशन। इस एप्लीकेशन पर मैं प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ, और ये 24/7 आवर्स अवेलेबल रहती है। हम इस पर बात कर सकते हैं अपनी सुविधा के अनुसार। तो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ। देखिए, ये है जोशी स्किल एप्लीकेशन है, और इस पर मैं प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ। हेलो, 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 आई एम ऑडिबल? हेलो, Saurabh, your name is Saurabh showing here, but your voice is not here. Hello, Saurabh, I am audible? ओके, तो यहाँ से अभी कोई आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है। मैं इसको इस तरीके से डिस्कनेक्ट कर देती हूँ, फिर मैं दूसरी कॉल ट्राई करती हूँ। देखिए, जैसे कि मैंने इसको डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया, फिर अगेन मैं यहाँ से दूसरा कॉल ट्राई कर लूँगी, और इसी तरह से अपनी प्रैक्टिस को कंटिन्यू रखूँगी। देखिए, हेलो, हे विराट, हाउ आर यू?
Pinky, I'm good. What about you? How are you?
Yeah, I am also doing great well, and so far I have been good. Virat, by the way, where are you from?
I'm from Maharashtra. You from?
You are from Maharashtra. Basically, I belong to Bihar, Vaishali district, but currently I stay in Gujarat, Jamnagar.
Oh God, Pinky, what are you doing there in Gujarat?
I am a housemaker, nothing special that, and apart from along with, I am running my own YouTube channel.
Oh God, I would like to be the part of that YouTube channel.
Okay, wow, that's great. Hi.
Yeah, so आपका कोई Telegram channel भी है आपका?
No. Just I am using YouTube. Just recently I have been started there, and because I have a beginner, I just wanted to become a good speaker, and we want to become a good speaker.
Yeah.
So that's there is my main motive is there to become a good speaker. So that's I have been started.
Pinky.
Yeah.
But Pinky, if you have a Telegram channel now, then you can share your updates on the Telegram. A lot of subscribers can subscribe your Telegram channel. And once you bring a new video now, or new content, so the people will look that, follow that. And this is how you can
I know.
Maximize your share.
Yeah, I know very well. But what happened? Just I want. I am passionate of this language, so that's I am just using this application. And recently, I have been started their channel, and the main motive is that I upload videos on YouTube to track my progress. It helps me to compare how I used to speak before and how I speak now. This way I can clearly see how much I have improved in English. My main intention, my main purpose is to practice, learn, practice, and become more confident. That is my main intention. So that's I upload, and no issue. By the way, I didn't use any Telegram channel and other. But by the way, where are you belongs to?
Yeah, Pinky, I'm from Maharashtra.
Okay, yeah, yeah. So, it's a blinder mistake. You already told me earlier. But okay, okay.
No worries. Pinky, no worries. How was your day?
Yeah, everything is good as well.
Okay, and how's the life going on?
Yeah, my life is going very well.
By the way, you are a very sweet person.
What you say? I couldn't understood very well.
Yeah, like you are a very sweet person.
Okay, wow, thanks.
Yeah. So, Pinky, are you married?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I am married and I have two baby. But one is 1.5 years old. So that's uh, I utilize this time, and because I don't go to outside to find out my find out any kind of job as a particular my knowledge as per as practical knowledge. And because you know very well, language is must necessary for every person's, and if I know this language, so easy way I can find out my own uh, work as per as experience, you know very well. So that's in this time, yeah, in this time I yeah in this time I have a small baby, so that's I couldn't go to outside, and I thought that why not utilize this time. So in this time I know it's tonight, but I am a housemaker, so I couldn't find out any particular time in a day, because you know have a baby, so lots of disturbance in a whole day, and because babies are nutties, you know very well. So in this time I am free, and that application is very good application, you know very well. There is a feature available, and also there is a privacy. One of the best feature at this application is privacy. So that's this is the big opportunity for me, so take a practice in any moment, anytime, as according to my situation.
Yes, Pinky. You are taking full advantage of this application.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, Pinky, you haven't slept yet?
Yeah, it's getting too late, I know very well, and it's time to getting sleepers. Okay, I will.
Yeah, Parul. Yeah, where is your husband?
Yeah, my still uh, he went to her friends parties,
Oh
and
God.
I am alone at home,
But
so that's I thought that why not utilize this time if my husband is available there, so I couldn't try, and I couldn't speak
क्यों
anyone.
हस्बैंड को बात नहीं करने देता आपको?
No, not like that. But what happened? In the its time is not good for to taking practice to anyone. If my husband is available at that time, so I couldn't practice. But my husband is not available at present, and his friends parties to celebrate there. And I thought that why not utilize this time to take practice, because I am not doing any wrong things. So if I take
Yeah,
practice,
but
that is a
Pinky,
good for me.
yeah, but Pinky, like who can go to party if such a beautiful wife is at home?
Yeah, yeah.
Isn't it?
No, yeah, it's a friend circle party, so so uh, that's a single,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, if we
yeah, but actually,
celebrate in single way, so that is good for us.
yeah, but इतने अच्छी इतनी प्यारी वाइफ को तो कोई पार्टी में कैसे आ सकता है इतने रात को?
No, yeah, but that is not like that to party to invite all families. It's a bachelor party.
I
Yeah,
don't.
it's a bachelor party. So that's he celebrated a single. If he celebrated with her friends, so that is good for every person's. Na, if every her friends. Yeah,
Are
and
you drinking today? Your
actually
dinner?
still
Like you don't drink now?
I couldn't getting understood very well because still I am a beginner and each and every point to understanding it's a big deal for me. So
Okay, no worries. Whenever possible, I will try to speak in Hindi as
no
well so
no
that you
no
will get understand.
no, it's not possible. This application is English. If I talk in a Hindi, so how it's not get benefit more and more. I know if how much I how
But
long
if
how much how I speak in a long way with English, so that is good for me. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I speak in a right and wrong. It doesn't matter. But if I speak in English with you, that is good for me. Uh, yeah.
yeah, you are right. So what I'm saying that do he drink?
I couldn't getting understood what you said.
Do he consume alcohol?
By the way, I couldn't getting understood very well, so I want to disconnect this call. Don't mind. Okay. Bye bye. Have
No
a nice
worry,
day.
no worry.